Hi guys, apparently we're going to make a stew today. I'm trying to convince Nanny to let me do something. I'll probably be allowed to cut up the vegetables or something over there. Kettle's boiling at the moment. That's for some sort of stock, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That thing. Chicken, is it?
Yes.
Big lumps of chicken over there. Vegetables. Mushrooms. Pepper.
Corn flour. Yeah.
That's to
Cook the chicken with before I fry it. Yeah.
Okay. So what can I do?
Nothing. I've got another knife.
Oh, that seems good. So I've got to wait.
Yeah. I'm going to cook all this in one pan and then put it in the oven. First of all, I'm going to fry off the chicken and then add all the veg to it. I'm not going to fry off all the veg and pre-cook it on the top. I'm just going to put it all in, then cook it in the oven. So I need some oil, which I use rapeseed oil.
Right then, Nanny.
It's finished cooking for an hour. Forgot to stand back so I can't see anything there.
Got steamy glasses now. Now what?
Now I've turned the oven down to 150.
This isn't when you put the mushrooms in yet then?
Nope.
No.
I'll put it back in the oven until I'm ready.
It's now on 150.
Yeah. Well, I don't need to put a timer on it.
Here we go. That chicken's certainly gone nice and soft, isn't it?
Mm.
Forgot to put the mushrooms in.
So I did.
What was that rude word, Nanny?
Oh dear.
Oh, right.
That's it.
Okay. Well, I might be tempted to have some bread and butter with that. Because I do.
No.
We could, but we're not going to, do one of those mukbang videos where you sit there and eat and talk to the camera at the same time.
Well, I'm just about to watch the news.
Right, we'll do a we won't. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.